Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy credits on Audible. As you can see, I have 0 credits to start with. How embarrassing. First things first, open your web browser and go to the Audible official website. Sign in using your Audible account credentials. Once you're signed in, just check the Audible homepage, which I have here. If your account is eligible to purchase additional credits, Audible will display an option to purchase additional credits. So go ahead and select buy now. All right. So okay. Now I'd like you to read the information that is here. Only active Audible Premium members are able to buy credit. The pricing depends on the active membership we offer different buying options from the bundles to single credits directly from the app. So keep in mind that you can buy extra credits if your membership includes credits, you have the credits list, and you have been an Audible member and have been in the same membership for at least 30 days. Now, what this means is that my account is not eligible for extra credit. That is why I cannot find the what's it called now. That's why I can't find the buy now option for me to buy extra credits. I am not a premium user. Okay, so you can just subscribe to be a premium user. You can click on see all plans, try for $000. All right, so or you can click here and click on membership details and go to sign up to become a premium member. So when you're a premium member, then right here where you have 0 credits, you'll see an option to purchase extra credit. All right, so Audible will display an option to purchase extra credits. So select buy now to begin purchasing additional credits. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. The available credit purchase options and pricing will depend on your active Audible membership. After your purchase is completed, the additional credits will be added to your Audible account and you can use them to purchase eligible audiobooks that display the 1 credit purchase option. Now, you must be, like I mentioned, an active Audible premium member to purchase additional credits. Audible also states that you may need to have no credits remaining and have been on the same membership plan for at least 30 days to be eligible. So if you don't see the option to buy extra credits, your accounts may not currently qualify like mine. And Audible also offers different ways to get more credits, including upgrading your membership or choosing an annual premium plan with credits provided upfront. Just go ahead and click on see all plans and subscribe. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.